We are the 7 provinces of Costa Rica, touching the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific. We will show ya. Costa Rica touches Panama and Nicaragua. Say the names you hear, we'll try to say them with no flaw. Alajuela, that's my name, I'm in the north. I touch Nicaragua on this beautiful earth. My capital is a star, its name is the same as I. Alajuela's how you say it, I'm done, goodbye. I'm Cartago, here in the center you see. I'm a province of Costa Rica, this great country. My capital also shares the same name as me. Cartago's its name, where the star is you see. My province name is fun to say, it rolls right off the tongue. I'm Guanacaste, don't leave yet, I'm not done. My city and capital is what I'd like to share with ya. It's where the star is spinning here, it's called Liberia. We are the 7 provinces of Costa Rica, touching the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific. We will show ya. Costa Rica touches Panama and Nicaragua. Say the names you hear, we'll try to say them with no flaw. Heredia also borders Nicaragua, in the north of my country of Costa Rica. Heredia is the name of my capital too. It's so wonderful here and really nice to meet you. Limon is here, touching the Caribbean Sea, touching Nicaragua in the east, that is me. Puerto Limon is my capital city, and the hub of Limon province, that's enough about me. I touch Panama and I'm the longest province. You can call me by my name, it's Punta Arenas. This is my capital and port town. We share the same name, Punta Arenas, come on down. I'm also a province and the last name to say. Get your mind ready to learn, I am San Jose. I hold the capital of this country, that's cool, wouldn't you say? It's where the star does turn, its name is San Jose. My name is Costa Rica, how do you do my new friend? I'm in Central America, in the Caribbean. My capital is named San Jose, as you just learned. Maybe you'll visit someday, now I'm done with my turn. We are the 7 provinces of Costa Rica, touching the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific. We will show ya. Costa Rica touches Panama and Nicaragua. Say the names you hear, we'll try to say them with no flaw. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the information bell. Kids